Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, listen, man. I hope y'all had a great weekend. It is Monday, November the 2nd. And listen, y'all, Mr. George, listen, November is one of my favorite months because it has one of my favorite holidays, which is Thanksgiving. And, Thanksgiving is like National Eat a Lot Day. Like, you can officially, eat. And everybody know, if you know Mr. George, you know Mr. George love to eat. I'm so happy I'm over here clapping, y'all. Um, November and Thanksgiving. November and Thanksgiving for my family marks the beginning of gumbo making season. I know you can make it every time of year, but for whatever reason, we start making it when it get winter time and Thanksgiving. And so I look forward to Thanksgiving because I know I'm going to get my gumbo. And so when I eat my gumbo, I don't just eat my gumbo. I got to have some Tabasco sauce. All right. There's my Tabasco sauce. And so for every bite of gumbo, I'll do 2 drops of Tabasco sauce in it. I just take the spoon, drop, eat it up. All right. So y'all know Mr. George teach math. So here's my question now. So if I'm taking 2 bites of gumbo, how many total drops of Tabasco have I dropped or taken? I hope you said 4. And we can keep this pattern going. If I got 3 bites of gumbo, that's a total of 6 drops of Tabasco. If I had 4, 8. If I had 5 bites of gumbo, that's 10 drops of Tabasco. This is what you call a proportional relationship, and that can be illustrated through a table. And I'm just gonna do a little cheap table here. Let's call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 1, we had 2. For 2, we had 4. For 3, we had 6. For 4, we had 8. And for 5, we had 10. This is what you call a proportional relationship. Today, there's 2 parts to this lesson. I want to look at tables. Today, first, I want to show you how to determine if a table is proportional or non-proportional. And then I have a follow-up lesson where I'm going to show you guys how to find the slope of a table. All right, let's get into it. This is so easy, so simple. All right, I have a table here. I have a couple of tables here. I may add more, but this is so simple. We may just keep this one real short, sweet, and simple. Now remember what I said I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you how to determine if the table is proportional or not. All right, how do you determine if a table is proportional? I'm going to take my writing tool, and this is what you're going to do. You're going to create a ratio, and your ratio is going to be y over x. All right, so let's look at my coordinates now. Now my first coordinate is this point 217. So remember it's y over x. Therefore, it will be 17 over 2. I'm going to go to my online calculator, and I've already done the math here. 17 over 2 gives you 8.5. So that gives me 8.5. Now I can't stop there. I need to check the remaining points. Yes, I refer to them as points because these are also coordinates. So I'm going to also do 34 over 4, 51 over 6, and then 8 or 68 over 8. And let's see what it gives us. So we got 34. So we said 34 over 4. There's 8.5. 51. Divided by 6, 8.5. And then 68 divided by 8. If all points in the graph, in the table, give you the same number, then it is a proportional relationship. And in this situation, 8.5 is known as the constant of proportionality. Okay? Once again, how did I do it? I set up a ratio, y over x. If they all give me the exact same number, the exact same constant, is consistently the same number, then it is a proportional relationship. And 8.5 is the constant of proportionality. Now, if it is a proportional relationship, then 8.5 also happens to be my slope. If it's a proportional relationship. You can't trust that all the time because not all of these will be proportional. But if it is a proportional relationship, then 8.5 is also my slope. I'm going to talk to you about that in the next video. Let's check out this next one. So remember, we want to do y over x. And so we'll have 16 over 2 and 25 over 4. Then we have 34 over 6 and 43 over 8. All right, so let's go to our calculator and let's try it. So our first one is 16 divided by 2, and that's 8. Okay, so all of them should give me 8. My next one, 25 divided by 4. That says 6.25. Did I do something wrong? No, you did it right. That's just not a proportional relationship. I don't even need to do the rest of the points because I already know, because 25 over 4 is not the same as 16 over 2. That is not a proportional relationship. It is really that easy. Really that easy. All right, so I'm not even going to do that last table. Actually, won't you pause the video for a second? I want you to try the last table. I want you to pause it, and try it. All right, I hope you pause it, because here's your opportunity for feedback. So we got 150 over 2, and then we got 300. That's an ugly 0. Don't judge, Mr. George. Over 4. All right, I'm going to just start off with those two, and then I'm going to see what it gives me, and then we'll move on. So 150 divided by 2, 75. 300 divided by 4, 75. Let's keep it going. So the next one was 450 over 6. Yep. And then we had 600 over 8. Yes. The constant of proportionality for this table, for this function, is 75. All right. So that's the first part of this lesson, determining if the table is proportional or not. Let's go ahead and check out the next video, determining the slope. All right. I'll see you guys over there. Peace.